This 2014 Airstream Sport 16 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 16 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, awning, water heater, external shower, LP detector, TV, DVD player, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Airstream Sport 16 is 2,860 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.